Hey there, fellow entrepreneur. If you are frustrated that you are not getting ahead in your business, despite selling more and more with each year that goes by, this is exactly why. My name is Tim Francis. I run a company called Profit Factory, and I've helped dozens and dozens of companies add millions of dollars of profit. And one of the first big ahas entrepreneurs need to have is that revenue does not cure all. This is exactly what I mean. Check this out. So you can see right here, this is all of the revenue coming into your business. You don't get to keep all that though, because you've got expenses that come into play. So that leaves you with profit. But profit, you don't even get to have all of that because some people owe you money. They've got payment plans or you're waiting for them to pay their bills with you. So that leaves you only with cash collected. But the problem is you can't even touch all the cash collected. This is the money in your bank accounts because you got to keep some money for taxes. You got to keep some money to pay the credit card in a few weeks. You got to pay payroll. You got to pay your other vendors. It all adds up so quickly. So all of that money that you have to hold to the side that you can't touch is called not free cash. So that leaves you with this little sliver right here called free cash. And I will tell you that only once it's money that you've sold, you get to keep, you get to collect, and you don't have to earmark it for anything else. Only that cash right there can you now take it out of the business. You could take the money out of the business to pay yourself a bigger salary, to make dreams come true, like funding your child's education or buying yourself a new car. It's also the money that you can hold as free and clear for any kind of rainy day. Free cash ultimately is what makes dream comes true and also allows you to have the safety psychologically that you're going to be okay. This is the fundamental misunderstanding that most entrepreneurs have. We as a group, we entrepreneurs, we keep hearing all the time, build a 7-figure business, build an 8-figure business. We get told over and over again that if you sell as much as possible, that makes you the most successful. There's a lot of awards out there that are based solely on revenue growth. And then we wonder, geez, I'm selling more and more, but I really don't feel like I'm getting ahead. Why is that? Well, it's because you're sitting here trying to market and sell more using marketing and sales tools. If you're looking to get ahead financially, then you better use financial tools. I am not an accountant. I failed math 3 times, and yet I was able to learn and figure all this out. And I actually now teach it and consult it to entrepreneurs around the world. So I encourage you to go ahead and click on the link below and find out how you might be able to use some of these new tools to help you get ahead once and for all. Once again, this is Tim Francis from Profit Factory. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.